Alright guys, in this video, what I'm going to be showing you is how to basically navigate through your online store, the admin section. We already talked about the settings tab, how to create your legal forms, how to basically add your payment method the way you want to be paid. I'm going to go ahead and jump into, how to navigate through your admin page and how to customize your website. So once you log into your Shopify store, you are going to see online store on the right hand side, and then you're going to go to themes. It's going to take you to a page that looks like this. What you're going to do is go to customize. All right. And then once you go to customize, you're going to be taken to a panel that looks pretty much like this. And I'm basically going to show you how to build everything, how to add the sections and whatnot. So what I always recommend, and this is one of my online stores, is a clothing shop. Not my main store, so I use this as a example. um, for your header, you kind of want to put something catchy. Um, for my header, as you can see, I added a show an announcement. An announcement is basically what it will be displayed right here, which says free shipping on all items, no minimum. I've seen some people put 15% off, until this Friday. It doesn't matter what you put for your show announcement if you do choose to have one. What I recommend is that you put an announcement, right at the top of your website. So that way, it's catchy. Customers catch on to it and it grab their attention. Um, I'm going to show you how to add a show announcement. But it's basically in this box right here. You click on, you make sure this box is checked, and you can put what you want. 15% off. I like to put everything in capitalized letters for the show announcement. 15% off on all items. Whatever you want it to be. I'm gonna just leave it like I have it for now. So that's how you add a show announcement. On this side right here, where I have show Heart Fashion Shop, you want to put either your store name or your logo. Whatever logo that your business may have, you want to add that right there. And basically you can just add that in the header section, and you'll just upload your picture, your logo, or just write out your store name. And then as far as adding the pages, you're going to basically import your products, and I'm going to show you how to do that in the next video, which is the Uberloo video, how to import products to your store. But as far as the display, you want to keep it neat. You want to make it look professional. Like I said, that show announcement right here is very important. You want to grab customers' attention, right at the top. In the blink of an eye, they can't miss it. Right here, you want to have right here I have a picture of my store, but you can have, you know, if you do have an offline store, this will go perfect with it. Having a picture of your offline store, a picture of, I don't know, it could be a business logo, but make sure you have some type of picture, big picture, right there on that page. I even have two. I added, a few of my products right here. I'm going to scroll down. As you can see, I have my best selling items. Um, this right here catches people attention too. They want to know, sometimes the customer want to know what's the best selling products. They can be drawn to it. And I kind of kept it diverse. I have a woman's product, men's product, hoodie, tees, leggings, sweats, track pants. So, I have my best selling items there. I'm going to scroll down a little. Right here is where you can put a basically like a little promotion. I added a subscription box, and I'll show you where to add the subscription box. But when customers go to your website, they have the option to enter in their email address and click on subscribe. Basically, every time you have a special promotion, say you're having a Christmas promotion where everything is 40% off, since your customers should subscribe to your site, they'll get a notification through email, and they can be repeat customers. So it's always good to have a little subscription box right there. Um, and a way you can add the subscription box is just simply by adding a section under your sections panel, and that would display. Scroll down a little further. Kind of have something catchy. As you can see, I use some emojis, heart emojis, just to kind of draw more attention. Have a catchy little slogan here: "Dress to express, and you will impress." Um, a few models, some more products I have down here, some pictures, and I also added the subscription box again right there. So this is just basically, I won't necessarily say perfect, but a great, great way to set up your website. As you can see, not too much, not too little. Got the point across. Have products on my page, on my main page. So this is basically what my home page looks like right here. At the bottom, you have the footer. Always, 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 and I actually displayed this in a settings tab, when I showed you how to set up your legal forms. Always have that privacy policy, return policy, and terms of service in the footer. If you don't have nothing else, make sure you have the privacy policy, return policy, and terms of service. That's the most important. Um, a lot of customers will check for that just to make sure you're legit. FAQs, something I added, frequently asked questions. A contact us page, of course. You want to have, a customer want to know how they can contact you if they need to. And, just a search box. Have this too, and I'm going to show you how to add this, but this is just the um, payment icons. I'll show you how to add that in the next video. Um, and, right to the left of that, I have, Heart Fashion Shop, the name of the business, and I have a currency converter, which I'm going to show you how to add that in the next video. But say you have customers in Canada, Japan, Europe, they want to go on your website and buy, they can use this currency converter to purchase their product. Um, I'm going to go to my FAQ page just to give you some ideas of, some frequently asked questions. Um, I just ordered from your online store. When can I expect my items to ship? And, uh, pretty basic commonly asked question, right? And you can see my questions are in bold and my answers are, regular text. When should I expect my items to be delivered? What forms of payment do you accept? So I like to add between like, at least 5 frequently asked questions. I think I have about 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I have about 7. Um, so it's always good to have a frequently asked questions page. Um, may prevent the customer from even contacting you if they can find the answers on that page. Contact us page, of course. I like to have an email address. Don't have a phone number on here. You could add one if you want. Just make sure if you're not available, you have like a call center where someone is available to answer the calls. But an email would just do. My email, my hours of operation, um, and then right up in the header, I have all my collections. I'm not going to show my products for, you know, copyright reasons. I don't want anyone stealing my products and, placing it in their store. But I'll show you how to add these sections. You can see I have a wax collections section. I have a men's clothing section, women's clothing section, a baby clothing section, and a jewelry section. Um, the search box, if a customer wants to search a product, they can type it in. And um, I'm just going to show one of my products just as an example. Um, one of my products, this 90s baby tee. The customers are interested in purchasing it. They're going to click on it. They can, in this situation, there's only one example. Well, one option they have, which is red. They're going to choose their size. Small, medium, large, extra large, whatever you want to have. Quantity they want, whether they want 1, 2, 3, however many they want. Add to cart or buy now. Most of them are just buy now. It's always important to have this as well on your site. When it says secured and trusted with checkout with MasterCard, Visa, American Express, PayPal, JCB, that'll let the customer know, this website is legit. They're partnered with MasterCard, Visa, and these payment providers. I guess it's okay to purchase. So it's always good to have that, and I'll show you how to add that payment icon in the next video. When a customer, buys now, is going to take them to the checkout page. What they'll do is they'll enter at their home address where they want the product shipped, mobile number or email, first, last name, address. You see the price comes right there. Continue the shipment method. And that's basically it. That's how a customer would pay. That's what a good website looks like. And that's about it. I'll see you guys in the next video.